In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all tasks assigned to you in Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a more organized workflow, this guide will help you easily locate and manage your tasks. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to access Monday.com. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, you should see the home page. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted with options for signing in. You can either sign in using your Google account or enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose the Google sign-in option, look out for the list of Google accounts and select the one you intend to use with Monday.com. And there you have it, you're logged in and ready to go. With your login out of the way, let's shift our focus to viewing your tasks. Monday.com has a handy feature that lets you see all tasks assigned to you across every board. This feature is called My Work. To access it, navigate to the upper left side of the menu. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you've located the My Work section, click on it. This is where things get exciting. My Work is designed to give you an organized and comprehensive overview of all your tasks across different boards. It's like having a personal task manager within Monday.com. Your tasks will be grouped by dates, making it easy to prioritize and manage them efficiently. Additionally, Monday.com offers a calendar mode. If you're someone who likes to see things laid out visually, this feature will come in handy. Simply click on the Calendar tab located beside the Table tab in the My Work section. The moment you click on this option, your tasks will appear in a calendar view. This calendar view is quite flexible. You can switch between a monthly, weekly, or even daily perspective based on what works best for you. Having this kind of flexibility means you can tailor your view to fit your workflow, whether you're planning for the month ahead or just focusing on the day's priorities. And that's it. Now you know how to easily see all the tasks assigned to you in Monday.com. This should help streamline your workflow and ensure you never miss a deadline. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your journey on Monday.com a little smoother.